Hello, good afternoon. Let's solve this past question. A trader made a loss of 10% on an item he sold for 540 naira. If he has sold it for 576 naira, what would have been his percentage profit or loss? This question is basically for those that are preparing for their WAEC later in the year. Now let's bring out the parameters that we're given. We're given the percentage loss. His percentage loss is 10%. And we're given the selling price. The selling price is 540 naira. Let's solve. Were we given loss? No. The formula for loss is, if we are given a percentage loss, it means a loss took place. And the formula for loss is cost price minus selling price, which is, what's our cost price? Our cost price was not given. Let's assume our cost price is y minus the selling price, which is 540. So this is our loss. Now the formula for percentage loss, since we're given percentage loss, so we have to go with the formula for percentage loss. The formula for percentage loss is loss divided by cost price times 100. Percentage loss is 10%, which is 10 equals, what is our loss? Our loss is y minus 540. Y minus 540 divided by our cost price, which is same thing as y, times 100. So this is 10 equals, y minus 540 will multiply 100. So 100 times y, 100y, minus 100 times 540 is 54,000. Everything divided by the y. When you have a fraction like this, you cross multiply. 100y minus 54,000 will multiply, nothing is here, so we just write it out. 100y minus 54,000 equals 10 times y is 10y. The next thing we'll do is to do what we call collect like terms. Collect like terms. All the ones with y, bring them together. So we have 100y. This y, 10y here is a positive 10y, but it is, we are moving it to where 100 is. It is crossing this border of equals to. So the sign changes to negative. It changes to minus 10y. Equals to this minus 54,000, we want to move it to the right hand side. The negative sign changes to positive, changes to ordinary 54,000. Now 100y minus 10y is 90y. Everything equals to 54,000. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 90. Our y equals, because 90 cross out 90, so we have y. Our y equals 54,000 minus divided by 90. 0 cancels 0. 5400, which is 5,400 divided by 9, will give us 600 naira. So our cost price is 600 naira. And they said if he had sold it for this, so we now have a new selling price. Our new selling price is 576 naira. They said what would have been his percentage profit or loss? He bought something for 600 and he's selling it 576. Obviously, he made another loss. So his loss is cost price minus selling price, which is 600 minus 576. His loss is how much? 24 naira. We are asked to find his percentage loss because he made a loss. So the formula for percentage loss, like I stated earlier, is what? Loss divided by cost price times 100. So the loss is 24 naira divided by the cost price, which is 600 naira, times 100. 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. 6 here 1, 6 here 4. So this businessman made a loss of 4%, which means that if he sold it for 576 naira, he would have still made a loss of 4%, which is even better than the loss of 10% he made earlier. With this explanation, you are able to solve any question relating to profit and loss. Thank you very much.